Hello everyone. Today we'll be building cryptocurrency details app. So we'll be making use of coin ranking API. From that one, we'll be displaying the we'll be displaying the cryptocurrency details. Right. So let's start by creating the HTML. So I'll just click on. I'll just create HTML file. Then let me create style file as well. So I'll just create style file. So initially what I'll do, I'll just create the very basic HTML template and I'll just name this one crypto details, right? So next, let me link the style sheet as well. Let me give the path and the name style.css. So next, what we'll do, we'll make use of, let's start writing the HTML code. I'll just make use of header tag. Inside the header tag, I'll just make use of the h1 tag and I'll just copy the same thing here. The title that I have given, I'll just give crypto details. Next, what we'll do, I'll just make use of the main tag. Then inside the main, what we'll do, I'll just take one div. Let me give the class crypto container, right? Then I'll make use of the ID. That will be crypto container as well. So here, what will by making use of JavaScript, will display the crypto data, right, dynamically here. So I'll just write so I'll just comment this one. 1 second. So yeah, next what I'll do for the pagination, I'll just make use of the div and also give class name pagination. We'll be displaying 10 crypto coins per page with details, right? So we'll be making use of pagination as well. So inside that one, inside this div, I'll be making use of two buttons. One will be previous and one is next, right? Here I'll copy the same thing. This will be next. Next, what I'll do, I'll just make use of ID previous page button disabled. I'll just make use of the HTML entity for the left arrow and the right arrow, double left arrow, right? For that one, I'll just be making use of ampersand this one, right? Next one, sorry, I forgot semicolon, right? Then for the next or the double arrow, right arrow, I'll just make use of ampersand O, right? I'll just give semicolon. So this is it. This is it for the HTML. I'll just format this document once. So HTML is, we have completed the HTML part. Next, what we'll do, we'll start styling, right? Or writing the design. I want to make use of the Arbitron font. So I'll just open the Chrome. I'll just search for Arbitron or the Arbitron font you can search for. I'll just click on get font, get embed code, import, and I'll just copy this one and I'll paste it over here. So next, I'll just make use of the universal selector. I'll just give box sizing, border box, margin 0, padding 0. So next, we'll write code for the body. What we'll write? I'll just give font family, just go here, just copy the first one, this one, font family Arbitron, and the secondary font I'll be making use of as sans serif. I'll just copy the same thing, then background color I'll give this one. So next will be styling for header. I'll just go here, I'll copy the header. Let's style for header. I'll just copy this one. Let me give background color of 000, that is black. Color I'll be making use of white. Also padding 20 pixel and 0. Text align center. Next we'll be styling for H1. One second, did I miss something here? Yeah, this one, sorry. Just copy this one, paste it over here. Give me a second. Yeah, I'll just give margin 0 and font size 32 pixel. So this is it for the H1. Let's style for crypto container. So where is this crypto container? This one. I'll just copy the whole thing. I'll paste it over here. So crypto container, I'll just give display flex wrap. So justify content, space around, gap of 20 pixel, padding of 20 pixel, right? This is for the crypto container. Next, I'll be styling for crypto card. Where the crypto card is coming from? Basically, crypto card will be writing the HTML in the JavaScript code. From there, we'll be styling I'm styling the crypto card. So for now, we haven't written the JavaScript file yet. JavaScript code yet. So just follow along with me. I'll just give crypto card background color black or 000. Color same, I'll give white or FFF. Border radius 10 pixel. Box shadow 0.1, right? And then width of minus 20 pixel, right? Then I'll be giving padding of 20 pixel. Also, let's give transition transformer 0.3 seconds with ease. So next we'll be styling for the same thing on hover. Crypto card when hovered, right? So I'll just take hover. So I'll just give transform translate y minus 5 pixel. So next what I'll do, I'll just style for the crypto name. So where this is coming from? So this is coming from the JavaScript, HTML that we have used in JavaScript. We haven't written yet, right? So I'll just give crypto name. Just follow along with me. I'll give font size of 24 pixel. Font weight of bold. Margin bottom of 10 pixel. Color of white. So this is one thing. Next, we'll style for crypto price. Font size 20 pixel. Color right? Then we are styling for the crypto market cap. Font size 16 pixel. Color white. 8 pixel. Next, we'll style for crypto symbol. Let's give font size of 16 pixel. Color white. Margin bottom of 5 pixel. Next, we'll style for crypto change. So I'll just give font size of 16 pixel. Margin top of 8 pixel. And color I'll be giving white. So this is it for the crypto chain. Then we'll be styling for the pagination part. So I'll just take this one. I'll just copy this one. Paste it over here. I'll just give margin top of 20 pixel. Text align center. Next, we'll style for the pagination button. So I'll just copy the same thing. Just give pagination. Just copy the button. This one, Let me copy this one. Give button. So background color, I'll just give black. Color white. Border none. Border radius 5 pixel. Padding 10 pixel and 20 pixel horizontal and vertical. And margin of 0 and 5 pixel. Cursor of pointer. Transition. Background color is, right? This is it for the pagination button. So I'll just copy the same thing. We'll write for pagination button on hover, right? So I'll just make use of hover. So we'll just change the background color when we hover on the button. So I'll just give background color red. Next, the same thing when initially the previous button, means the first button we are taking, right? It has to be in the disabled state. We'll design for that one. So I'll just take this one. I'll just give pagination button and disabled. Either you can take in that format or you can give it within the square braces. So I'll just make use of background color CCC. and cursor, I'll just give, cursor initially, I'm giving not allowed. So it will be disabled, right? So cursor, I'll just give not allowed. So next, pagination button when not disabled, right? What I'll do, I'll just make use of box shadow 0, 2 pixel, 5 pixel, RGBA of 0.2. Finally, I'll make use of the media queries just to make sure that it is responsive on all devices. I'll just give max width of 768 pixel, design for crypto card, the first one. I'll just give width 100% minus 20 pixel. This is it for the media queries, right? I'll just format this document once. This is it for the CSS part. So what I have done is have installed an extension called live server. So what this does is whenever we make changes in the HTML, so it will get directly reflected in the browser. So we don't have to reload the page again and again to see the changes. So I'll just click on this. So yeah, this is the one. So I'll just close this one. I'll just close this one. And I'll right click. What I'll do, I'll just click on open with live server. So initially this is looking like this. So we have given the header crypto details within the header, and also we are getting the disabled button previous, we have styled, and the next. So whenever I click on the next button, the coins with the cryptocurrencies with along with the details has to appear. Per page we are displaying 10 coins along with the details, right? That's what we'll do. For to display the cryptocurrencies along with the details, we are making use of an 1 second, coin ranking API. So with the help of JavaScript, we'll be doing this one. So let me open VS Code. I'll just create index.js file, right? Next, what I'll do, I'll just move this one to right. So I'll just place the JavaScript file just below the body by making use of script tag. src, I'll just give index.js. So I'll just format this once. Let's start writing the JavaScript code. 1 second. So first what we have to do, first we'll get the number of items per page. First let's write something for the pagination. So we'll get the number of items per page. Let's initialize the current page as well as the initialize total pages. So what I'll do, I'll just make use of the variable name per page equals 10. Then let current page equals 1. Let total page equals 1. So next what we have to do, I'm getting the container for crypto data. Also we have to get the previous button and we have to get the next button as well from the HTML, right? So for that one, I'll be making use of the variable name crypto container. I'll just be making use of document dot get element by ID. So here it will be crypto container. Where this crypto container is coming from? This one ID we have given here, right? Crypto container. I'll just copy the same thing and I'll paste it over here. So I'll just give the semicolon. I'll just copy same thing and I'll paste it just below twice. So I'll just change the name to previous page button, right? So where this previous page button is coming from? This one button, first button. So I'll just give, I'll just paste it over here. Previous page button. Next one will be next page button. So where this next page button is coming from? 1 second. It will be from here. So I forgot to give ID here. I'll just give ID. I'll just give the name next page button, right? So I'll just copy the same thing and I'll paste it over here. So next what we have to do, I'll just write the function to get the API. I mean to make the API call, right? First what we'll do, we'll fetch the data from the API for the specified page. First let me create the function, also give the name fetch data. I'll just take the parameter page. So first what we'll do, I'll just comment this out and write fetch data from the API for the specified page. So I'll just make use of, I'll just give the API by making use of fetch. I have the API with me. So I'll just copy this one. I'll paste it over here. So what I have made use of, I'll just have called the API. So by making use of fetch. So you can just copy this one, or I'll be mentioning the GitHub this thing as well. You can just copy it from there as well, or else you can just type the same thing. Or you can go to coinranking.com, I mean api.coinranking.com, and get the API from there as well. You can read the documentation. It is easy to understand. So next what I'll do, we have to pass the response as JSON, right? For that one, I'll just be making use of then. Sorry, this is response dot JSON. So next, again I'll make use of then data. So we'll clear the previous data. For that one, what I'll do, I'll just make use of crypto container dot inner HTML. We'll set it to empty string, right? Then 1 second. Then what we have to do, we'll get the array of coins from the data, right? We have to get the array of coins from the data. How we'll get it? I'll just make use of the variable name coins, and I'll just give data dot coins. I'll just comment this one and write get the array of coins from the data. Next, I'll make use of for each. So I'll just give crypto. So we'll create a card for each coin, right? We'll display the, the details of the coin with the help of the, we'll display it on the card. So I'll just make use of the variable name crypto card, and I'll just give document dot, let me give create element. What element we are creating? Div, right? So next, just make use of the crypto card class list dot add of crypto card. We'll be making use of class, right? I'll just give crypto card. So while styling, I said we'll be making use of that HTML in the JavaScript, right? So this one crypto card, I just said to follow along with me. Here we have already written the CSS for this one. Next, crypto card, crypto name, price, market cap, symbol, and change. These things we have already written the CSS. We are giving the HTML inside the JavaScript over here, right? Crypto card. So this is it. Next, let me take crypto name. I'll just copy the same thing. sorry, 1 second. I'll just name this one to crypto name. We are creating the div again. We'll add the class list. I just copy the same thing. So instead of crypto card, it will be crypto name. Here, I'll just comment this one and write set crypto name. So I'll just not this one. We have to make use of the text content, right? For that one, I'll just make use of crypto name dot text content. I'll just give crypto dot name. We are setting crypto name. Next, we have to set the crypto symbol. Initially, I'll just copy these two things, paste this one. Instead of the crypto name, I'll just take crypto price. We have created the div. Then we are making use of crypto symbol, right? This is not name. We'll make use of crypto symbol, and I'll just copy this one. 1 second. I'll just write the code. It will be crypto symbol. So did I miss anything? One second. This has to be symbol, right? So let me give symbol. So this has to be symbol, and let me give text content. Let me make use of the template literals symbol. Also, let's give crypto symbol. So I'll just comment this one and write set crypto symbol. Next, we'll set crypto price. I'll just give name and just copy these two things again. Instead of symbol, let me give this one price. We'll create the div, and here instead of crypto card, it will be crypto price. Here name. This is not actually card. This is name. So this is what I miss actually. Oh, and yeah, this has to be crypto price. So then what we'll do, just make use of the crypto price text content. I'll just make use of the template literals price dot price. Then I'll just comment this one and write set crypto price. So then we'll set the crypto market cap, right? I'll just copy these two things again. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it over here. Instead of price, I'll just make this one to market cap. So here it will be, instead of price, crypto market cap, and here I'll again make use of market cap text content. We'll set it to, just make use of the template literals again, 24 hours, change, this has to be, 1 second, change. So I'll just give the symbol. Sorry, this is the market cap, right? So this will be market cap crypto dot market cap we will set market cap. So next what we'll do, I'll just copy these two lines. Instead of the market cap, I'll be making use of change. So here, instead of the market cap, change, this will be crypto change as well. Next what I'll do, I'll just make use of crypto change text content, give 24 hours, change, dot change. So I'll just give the symbol here. I'll just comment this one and write set 24 hours, change. So next we have to append all the details to the card, right? So I'll just comment this one and I'll write append details to the card. So I'll just make use of crypto card dot append child of crypto name. I'll just copy this one. We have crypto name and symbol price. So this has to be market cap, right? I have not given market cap here. Just give market cap. Second, I did mistake there. So let me give market cap, right? So next I'll just copy this one. Let me paste it 4 more times. So this has to be, I'll just give, this will be crypto symbol. Next one will be crypto price, right? Crypto price. And this will be crypto market cap. This will be crypto change. So next what we'll do, we'll append the card to the container. I'll just comment it out and write append card to container. So crypto container append child crypto card. So this is one thing. Next we'll calculate total pages and update the pagination buttons, right? I'll just comment this one and write calculate total pages and update pagination buttons. So we have made use of total page, right? Has to be, where I have made use of the total page. It has to be total pages. Anyway, we'll give the name total page itself. I'll just make use of math.c data. We are getting the stats as well as the total by per page. So I'll just give update pagination buttons. This is a function. We haven't written this one yet. We'll write next. So I'll just give this one update pagination buttons. So let me give catch. I'll just give error log of error fetching data and just give this one error. So what this is just to handle the fetch error. I'll just comment this one and write handle fetch error. So this is one thing. Next, what we'll do, we'll write the update pagination buttons function, right? I'll just create the function. Just write update pagination buttons. So first we have to enable or disable buttons based on current page. Initially, the previous button has to be disabled, and the next button has to be always enabled, right? So I'll just comment this one and write enable or disable buttons based on current page. So previous page button, this one, I'll just make use of disabled. We'll disable it for the first page. So when current page 1, right? So next page button disabled current page. So it's the last page, total page. Instead of total pages, it will be total pages. Actually, I have given the total page. That's fine. So next, what we'll do, we'll handle the previous button click. So let me write handle previous button click. So I'll just make use of previous page button. We'll attach event listener, add event listener, click function. So if current page greater than 1, we are decrementing the current page. So current page, then we have to fetch the data for the new page, right? In the next page, we have to display the details of the cryptocurrencies, right? For that one, I'll just make use of fetch data of current page. So this is it. Next, we have to handle the next button click. Now here we have handled the previous button click. So I'll just copy this one. Now we have to handle the next button click. Instead of previous, let's give next. So this will be next page button. Let's attach the event listener. Click. Let me give the function So I'll just make use of the if condition. If current page is less than the total page, then we are incrementing the current page. So I'll just give this one. Again, we'll be making use of the fetch data. So we have to fetch the data for the new page, right? I'll just give fetch data of current page. So this is it for the handling next button click. So finally, what we'll do, we'll fetch the data for the initial, on the initial page load, right? We have to fetch the data when the document loads, right? So for that one, I'll just comment this one and write fetch data for the initial page when the document loads. So I'll just be making use of fetch data of current page. So let me just format this document once. This is it for the JavaScript. Let me format this one. Let me format style file as well as HTML file. So let's check now. So this is not displaying anything, right? We have made mistake somewhere. Let's check what mistake we have made.